Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video today I am going to show how to get blank name or invisible name on your Facebook account. If you are new in my channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Let's start the video. Firstly, open your Facebook Lite applications and go to the menu bar. Here you will get your settings and privacy options. Just tap on this. After that you will get the settings options. Just tap on this. After that here you will see your account information. Then you have to tap on this. Here you will see your profile and personal details. Just tap on this. And here you will see your contact information, but you have to tap on the arrow sign. And here you have to click on the name options. After clicking, then here you will see your name details, but here you will see the options other names, and here you will get another options manage nickname. So here you have to tap on this, and in this page you have to set your nickname. So already names type nickname already set it, but you have to input your one name which you want to include on your Facebook account, but it will not shown on your Facebook account. So I just write my name, and here you will see the save options. Just tap on the save options, then it will be saved. After that you can see this my profile's name is already shown. So right now you have to back to your menu bar options, and here you will see the help options, help and support. Just wait a minute. You can see the help and support options. Just click on this. After that here you will see the second option, and that is help options. You have to click on the help options. Here you have to wait for a few seconds, then your page will be shown, and this page already shown. And here you have to tap one icon, and you can see the three dot options. Just tap on this. In this page you have to wait for a few seconds for every process. So and it will get the help center. In this box here you have to input three words, and that is Facebook name change. I just repeat it for you. Facebook name change. Then you will get the options. Just select this Facebook name change and tap on the enter options. Then it will be. So wait for a few seconds, and here you will see this page, and here you will see lots of options, but one option you have to tap on, and that is how to change your name on Facebook. Just tap on these options for getting the next options. So I just tap on these options, and here you will see this page, and you can see the option keep in mind. If you are having trouble changing your name, just let us know. You can see the blue name and blue options, that is let us know. Just tap on the let us know. Then they will give this space to you, and that is there you will can see there are three boxes, and first one is new first name, new middle name, that is optional, you can add or not, and the last one is new last name. So here you have to input one secret symbol, and here you have to apply one technique. So guys, you can see I just paste the symbol, but here I need to remove two bracket. Which one is first one and the last one? I need to remove the bracket options, but I have to paste the symbol. In the new middle name you don't need to input any name, but in the last name you have to input symbol and which one you add on your first name. So in the same symbol I just paste on the new last name. So in this box I just paste it, and in the same way I just remove the bracket options. I will give this symbol on my video's description box and comments options. You can copy from the description box. In this page you will see your documents choose file, but no need to input any file. Just you can see the contact email options. In this box you have to input a email, because Facebook anytime can give you any notifications or any replies. So I just added my email account on this box. You can add email or Gmail, any account. Then here you will see the blue line, and that is save options. So you have to tap on the save options, but if it will not work on your account, then you have to apply one technique. If it will not be workable on your Facebook account, then you have to use Indian VPN and you have to set the Indian locations. Then you will get this option easily and your Facebook accounts will be invisible name. Okay, for invisible name, I just tap on the save options, and right now I need to go back to my menu bar, and then you can see that it will work or not. So guys, you can see my blank name already added on my Facebook account, and in this way you can get also the invisible or blank name or ghost name on your Facebook account. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.